Hello everybody, I think everything is fine. Yes, so today we are going to start a new chapter of class 12 biology, that is molecular basis of inheritance. This is the second chapter of genetics and evolution. So according to the examination point of view, so many questions that used to come from this chapter. So that's why we are going to start this chapter. त्यही कारणले हामी यो chapter start गर्न गइरहेका छौँ. So in this chapter, first we will learn about the nucleic acid. So what are the two? There are two types of nucleic acid. There are two types of nucleic acid. There are two types of nucleic acid, and what are the two types of nucleic acid? Number one is DNA and number two is RNA. So DNA and RNA are two types of nucleic acid. And DNA is a nucleic acid. It is a nucleic acid in eukaryotes, whereas RNA is a nucleic acid in prokaryotes. Means viruses. Corona virus. ये RNA त छ नि हैन तिनीहरुको. So okay, भनेपछि DNA कहाँनिर पाइँदो रहेछ? eukaryotes-हरुमा पाइँदो रहेछ, which has well developed nuclear membrane. र prokaryotes कहाँनिर पाइँदो रहेछ? Will get in the viruses. Yes or no? So okay, these are the two types of nucleic acid, and both these two types of nucleic acids are made up of three types of components. Okay, nucleic acid is made up of three types of components, and the three types of components are made up of three types of components. Okay, these nucleic acids are made up of three types of components, and what are the three types of components? First one is phosphate group. First one is phosphate group, and it is also called as a phosphoric acid. It is also called as a phosphoric acid. And number two is pentose sugar. You might have heard or you might have learned in class 11 molecular biology. Biomolecules भन्ने chapter मा सायद यो pentose sugar को बारेमा पढेको छ होला. Yes? Okay. Pentose sugar त्यहाँको आयो राम तिम्रो आयो. Third one मा आउँदैछ तिम्रो. The third component of this is nitrogenous base. Third component चाहिँ के रहेछ तिम्रो? Nitrogenous base. Okay. What are the two types of nucleic acid? DNA and RNA. DNA is a nucleic acid in eukaryotes, whereas RNA is a nucleic acid in prokaryotes. Eukaryotes, prokaryotes, I don't have to explain because it is, you are already learning class 9 and the 11 also. Okay. And these nucleic acids are made up of, this nucleic acid is made up of three types of components. What are the three types of components? Phosphate group, which is also called as a phosphoric acid, pentose sugar, and the nitrogenous base. Is that clear? So, okay. Of this phosphate group, what is this phosphate group? Let's study about the phosphate group. Phosphate group भनेको के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि, okay, we'll study about what is this phosphate group? Phosphate group means phosphoric acid, and its formula is H3PO4. जसमा हामी P बीचमा राख्छौं PO4. कतिवटा ऑक्सिजन? चारटा ऑक्सिजन. Yes or no? How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen. So H3PO4. So this is the structure of phosphate group that we will use while making the different types of nucleic acid. Okay, later on. So the second one is pentose sugar. Second one is pentose sugar. There are two types of pentose sugar. Pentose sugar पनि दुईटा खालको हुन्छ. एउटा के हुन्छ तिम्रो? Ribose, number one, and number two is deoxyribose. So what are the two types of pentose sugar? Ribose sugar and the deoxyribose sugar. Okay. First, now we are going to study about the structure of these two types of pentose sugar. अब यो class 11 मा पढिसकेको छ. अब त्यसको डिटेलमा जान्न सक्दिन है हैन. र अब ribose sugar र deoxyribose sugar को structure के हो, that I'll tell you. Pentose भन्नुको मतलब there how many sides are there? 5 sides. Okay. One side, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides are there? 5 sides. How many sides are there? 5 sides. Yes or no? So pentose sugar, pentose भन्नुको 5 वटा साइड हो नि त. There are how many sides are there? How many corners are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 भनेपछि कतिवटा कर्नर रहेछ तिम्रो? 5 वटा कर्नर रहेछ भनेपछि यहाँनिर तिम्रो अक्सिजन हुन्छ. किन हुन्छ? अब क्लास 11 को बायोमोलिक्युल्स भन्ने च्याप्टरमा पढिसकेको छ र पनि इट्स नट नेसेसरी. यु जस्ट मेमोराइज दिस स्ट्रक्चर. पेन्टोज सुगरको स्ट्रक्चर कस्तो हुन्छ र राइबोज सुगर र डिअक्सिराइबोज सुगरको स्ट्रक्चर के हुन्छ? यु जस्ट मेमोराइज द्याट मच ओन्ली. यति याद राख्नुस्. ओके, राइबोज सुगर भयो तिम्रो दुईटा खालको हैन. राइबोज सुगरमा ओके हियर इट कम्स OH, हियर कम्स H, यहाँनिर H आउँछ, यहाँनिर पनि OH आउँछ. Here also H, here also OH, and here H, and here comes CH2OH. यति याद राख्नुस्. Got it or not? So I think कुन कर्नरमा के आउँछ याद भयो होला. OH, OH, H, 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 OH, H, CH2OH. Same thing here also. H, OH, here H, here H. Okay, I'll tell you afterwards. H, OH, H, CH2OH. Okay, now what is the differences between ribose sugar and pentose, deoxyribose sugar? Difference is that here you will get 2 hydroxyl group, but here you will 1 hydroxyl group is absent. Oxygen remove भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि deoxy किन भनेको removal of 1 oxygen from this corner. Is that clear? So that means एउटा oxygen चाहिँ यहाँबाट remove भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यसलाई हामी के भन्दो रहेछौँ? Deoxyribose sugar भनेर भन्छौँ. So what is the differences between the ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar? In deoxyribose sugar there will be the removal of 1 oxygen from the हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुपबाट एउटा अक्सिजन चाहिँ के भएको हुन्छ? रिमुभ भएको हुन्छ. त्यही कारणले गर्दा त्यसलाई के भनेको रहेछ? इट इज कल्ड एज ए deoxyribose. एन्ड अदर स्ट्रक्चर्स विल बी सेम. यो CH2OH और एभ्रिथिङ विल बी सेम. ओन्ली यो मुनिपट्टिको जुन चाहिँ दुईटा हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप छ, यहाँ दुईटा हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुपमा एउटा अक्सिजन चाहिँ रिमुभ भएको हुन्छ भने राइबोज सुगरमा चाहिँ दुईटै हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप हुन्छ. सो दिस इज अबाउट द पेन्टोज सुगर. सो इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियो विल लर्न अबाउट द नाइट्रोजनस बेस. किन नाइट्रोजनस बेस अलिकति लामो छ. सो आई विल make only one video of that nitrogenous base. That's why. So in the next video, we are going to study about the nitrogenous base. I think you all understood up to here. Eti bujhnu bhayo hola. So try to make a note. Go in a sequence. It will be easy for you. Thank you. Thank you very much.